Another week, another food crawl. Hey cravers, today let's go to Antipolo and let's do another food crawl. First up is Walk It Out at Sakura Circle. As usual, we have to order the dumpling sampler. This is a great way to find out kung ano yung gusto mong dumpling. Pero for me, I still haven't made up my mind, kaya ito pa rin talaga in-order ko. Pero what stands out to me is the fried wonton. Super na-enjoy ko yon. I also enjoy their hakao. Everything is so fresh, so delicious. We also ordered their salted egg shrimp, and by far, this is my favorite. It's still crispy kahit covered na ng sauce, and it's just the right amount of salty. Of course, we also have to order the sweet and sour pork. I super love this kasi super balanced ng flavors like ng sweet and sour. If you think busog na ako, hindi pa, pupunta pa tayo sa stop number 2, which is Jajang and Jampong. We order their jajangmyeon and their mandu. I feel like I'm in for something good kasi it required an apron. The jajangmyeon was okay. It was best paired with the danmuji. For me, the winner here is the mandu. It's very crispy